Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another fun cocktail while I'm getting distracted by the new pet in the house. That's going to be Otis. I will introduce you guys that bad boy pretty soon. But hey, welcome to the beautiful and lovely season of December. This is the lovely holidays, guys. Christmas, Thanksgiving is in the back. So now we're going to go ahead with Christmas and New Year's. And always nothing better than coming home after a long day of shopping, you know, for all those presents for your loved ones, and then you just need to de-stress. Have a cocktail and just relax at home, and nothing better than having a berries and rye. Let me show you how we're gonna be pouring this cocktail today. Let's start with the celebrations for this lovely season, guys, with the berries and rye. So, I happen to be on my shopping kind of like early for this season, and I totally suggest you guys to start doing that now. Don't wait for the last minute, because you can come across really good presents, just like this amazing guy, 10-year Whistle Pig Rye, which is an absolutely delish by itself. So I know I'm gonna ruin it a little bit with making a cocktail, but wait until you see what kind of a cocktail we're gonna be making, because this is gonna be absolutely delicious, guys. We're gonna start with 2 ounces of Whistle Pig Rye, or the rye of your preference. Now, we're gonna grab 2 blackberries, 4 blueberries, and we're gonna give it a little muddle. You don't wanna go too crazy, you just wanna break them down. If you don't have a muddle, don't worry about it. Just make sure you put lots of ice when you're shaking it, and then make sure that you just like shake it really hard. You're gonna go for half an ounce of lemon juice, and we're gonna finish it with 1 ounce of Demerara syrup, or brown sugar. Let's get some ice. And let's give it a good shake. All right. You're gonna end up with a really nice purplish beverage. It's got a nice rocks glass. And if you have the chance to put your hands in one of these spheres, even better, guys. Let's go for a double strain. All right, and now, this is the fun part. Make sure you grab some sparkling wine. Preference is gonna be sparkling rosé. In this case, I couldn't find like a small bottle of rosé, and it's not like we don't like to drink rosé every single day. So I just came up with a small bottle of Prosecco. Top it up. Don't forget to garnish this guy with some blackberries and blueberries. There you have it, you guys. The berries and rye, to celebrate the season and start the shopping. Happy holidays, everyone. Please, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Otilio! Let me introduce you guys. Oh, the new member of the family, Otis. Say hi. Oh, there we go. Right, brother?